Yeah,
Have you noticed any changes? Obviously, we're recording this in 2020, so there's been
yeah,
some interesting changes. But have you noticed anything on the sales side there?
yeah. So a couple of things. It sounds really basic, but you've got to have a applicant tracking tool. It's known as an ATS by those people who know their stuff. Um, and that's just a way of people submitting their CVs and then being able to manage them through the process as you would a pipeline, in a CRM. Um, the other key thing in terms of reducing that point is firstly having some questions on the application. So you can have an auto reject when people don't answer the questions. Which is a really good exercise. The other one is you kind of do that initial screening, and then they actually, fill out their own sort of talent scorecard as well. So they go through basically a background interview questionnaire that you can submit, through your ATS, which is literally a form-based point around their certain positions and where they were, and that just really helps you massively start screening.